going on, future entrepreneurs? I am back with another COTPS daily update. We're talking about what's in my account. Today is day number 1 of the SMS update as promised by the COTPS customer service department and the COTPS team. So today is day number 1 where they're going to be working on the SMS issue as far as we know from customer service. Before we talk a little bit more about that, let me go ahead and get back to my account. And most of you guys, you can see the system is still working, the system is still up and it's still rolling. We're just not going to be advising anyone to get involved until the system is until the SMS is updated, until it's fixed, until it's fully functioning, until they have a better solution to the problem that's going on right now. I'm not advising anyone to join the COTP system right now for the crypto arbitrage. So I'm just going to be showing my video, just showing you guys that the system is still working. There is no 404 error. And as you can see at the top of the screen, I am at the cotps.com site, not the cotps or the cotp.cc site, which is kind of a site that's been created as a duplicate to try to get other users to that site as well. And I think it's when you also go to that site, when you press customer service, it goes to a Telegram group. So all of you guys who are listening to me, beware that there is a clone site out there that's trying to duplicate the COTPS system. But the only thing that I say the difference is when you see the transaction data, there is no data going up and down on the screen. And when you click on the customer service button, I haven't been to the site myself, so I'm just going off what I've seen. When you click on the customer service button, it takes you to a Telegram group. There's nothing on any of the COTPS sites, whether it's cotps.com or cotps.net, that will take you to a Telegram group site. So if you go to that site, if you are on that site, please click off of that site. That is not the correct site. Do not put any information in that site. Do not try to add any funds to that site. That site is not the COTPS original site. And as you can see, the site is still functioning. The site is still going. So right now, we're still going to trust and believe that the COTPS team is working on it. And let me go ahead and show you my transaction haul as of today. As of right now, 8:18 a.m. I have $5,400.84. My money is still multiplying. It's still growing. It's still getting bigger and bigger. As you can see right here in the kind of middle of the screen, where it says I've made $65 since midnight, because the system itself, it recalculates. It starts over your recalculation of how much you've made at midnight. But I do mine a little bit different, because when I first started the first day, I started at 8:30 a.m. So I do mine from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. 24-hour period for myself. So again, I'm not recommending anyone to get into the system until they actually have this fixed. And I'm pretty sure you will know when they do fix or when they do not have it fixed, because everyone's going to be making videos telling you guys that it is fixed and that it's working. There's also been those saying that it's working in other countries, which is yet to be verified. We don't know if those are people who are using the cotps.cc site, or those who are using the COTPS site, and those who are actually in other parts of the world that are able to get the SMS issue to work. As far as I know, I'm not going to be doing any tests today. I'm going to wait until tomorrow before I do any tests to verify that any work is being done, or at least that I'm getting the notification of the 6-digit code to put in before it expires. I won't be doing any of that until tomorrow. And let's just go back to my other little statistics chart, and I'll add this in so we can do as I normally do, which is show you guys how much I've been making from day to day. Let's go. It's $5,484. Let me go ahead and pull up my Google Sheets. $5,484. And don't forget to give me the LNS special. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content. And I'm going to be creating more videos like this as long as the system is around. So let's statistics. See, 5484 was the amount. 5484. And as you can see, guys, it's another $200 day. On yesterday, it was 5280, and yesterday it was 5280 around 8:30, maybe a little bit after 8:30 yesterday. And right now we have 5484, so it's $204 profit on the day. So right now the system is still working. It's still churning out the profits. It's still doing the trades for us. So as long as the system is working, as long as there's no 404 error, I'm just going to give them the time that they need to fix the system. I'm not going to go on this tangent, or I'm going to start calling it a scam or saying they did a rug pull or any of the other things that some of the other companies have done. I'm going to give them the time that they said they needed. And also there was other videos I've been watching to try to get more information throughout the day, because I'm not in the Telegram group. I didn't know that they were supposed to be. There were some people are saying that they have a Twitter page, but we don't know if that is the real Twitter page or not. There are others who are saying that the system, there's other people higher up who had different messages. That's pretty much the system telling everyone to be, to calm down. The money is still in the account. Just give them a time and be patient enough to allow them to fix the problem. And also there's been other issues with other networks, like the Binance network, if that's the right one, they're having issues. The Aweber network, which had issues, but I think they've got theirs fixed as of now, but COTPS has not got it fixed as of yet. And I'm going to give them until tomorrow before I go ahead and test the system, just to give them another 24 hours to see if they've done anything with that particular error. And with that being said, guys, that's it. That's all, guys. I appreciate you that you're watching. Go ahead again, give me the LNS special, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for more content. I will be putting out more content geared to affiliate marketing and some other crypto things, maybe or maybe not. I'm not sure, because I don't want everything to be crypto. I want you guys to be 100% focused on everything crypto. They do have other avenues where you can make passive income, just like my YouTube channel. Some of you can create YouTube channels and create passive income that way. It's going to take a little time, but it's going to be well worth it in the long run. Some things are kind of worth the wait. Some things are worth putting in the effort. Some things are worth putting in the time to learn and get better at every single day. If you just get 1% or 0.5% better every single day, in the next 3 months or the next 30 days, you'll be 30% better than you were those previous 30 days. So just get better every single day. Learn something new. Go out and learn something, whether it's on YouTube, whether you're paying for a small course. Just go out and learn something to get better. That's it. That's all, guys. This is the Passive Income Trucker, giving you guys more knowledge, more tips, more insight on the COTP system. I'm out.